Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to welcome my old subscribers as well as my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And today I am participating in a $5 Dollar Tree DIY challenge hosted by Mrs. V and also Bum B DIYs. They have asked us to do a $5 DIY from Dollar Tree, either $5 or less. We could do anything we want, but it had to be $5 or less. And we had to be subscribed to their channel. And I think those were the only two requisitions. So I'm going to leave a link below to each one of their channels. Mrs. V's channel. She does a lot of inspiration videos as well as DIYs, as well as tablescapes. And Bum B, she does a lot of DIYs and organization videos. You would be pleased with both of their channels. Please go over there to their channels. I'm going to leave a link below in the description box. And please visit them. And also I'm going to leave a link in the description box of the playlist that are participating in this challenge. So before I get started on showing you what I am gonna come up with, I ask you to please, if you have not already done so, and if you would like to be part of the Deals with Lady P family, hit that subscribe button and join the Deals with Lady P family. I would love to have you. And don't forget to hit that notification button that you be notified of all my videos as they come out. I want to thank you again for watching, and I'm going to get started and show you what I'm going to do. Now, these are the items that I purchased from Dollar Tree. This is a very small wreath. It's a grapevine wreath, and I purchased this, and I also purchased this. It was a welcome sign, but one was like the hose is right there. One was already disconnected, and I wanted it disconnected anyway, so I went ahead and purchased and just took the other one out. So I purchased that sign, and I don't know if I'm going to use this, the blue. I'm going to use this. This sunflower, look like sunflower. I'm going to use this blue part, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use the welcome part. It depends on whether I have anywhere to put it. And then I'm going to use, I have two bunches of these, I don't know if I'm saying it right, Dahlia's flowers, yellow flowers, and I got two bunches. And I have my wire cutters here, as well as my hot gun here. And like I said, I don't know if I'm going to use all of these, but I'm going to do yellow as my spring and summer color in my dining room. And the kitchen is next to the dining room, so I'm going to bring that yellow into the kitchen as also. And where I'm going to put this wreath at, I have a tobacco basket hanging in the kitchen. And one of my subscribers, I wanted to put, I'm back up. I wanted to put like a thank you or grateful sign across the middle of the tobacco basket. But one of my subscribers suggested to me to do something like a changeable for different seasons. And I thought that was a really good idea. So this gave me the opportunity to do a wreath there and put the wreath in the center of the tobacco basket. And this was the perfect size because it was small. The rest of them was large, and this should fit inside. I don't know if I have enough room for the welcome sign, but I'm going to do this with the color scheme that I'm going on in the kitchen, and I will show you how it look afterwards. So I'm going to get started, and the first thing of course I'm going to do is take these apart. Take my little things off of them. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to use this, but I'm using my wire cutter to cut them off. It comes off pretty easy, and I think this is like a simple way to take this off, really, is to pull this off and just pull this off. That's a pretty simple way. I'm not going to show if I'm going to cut that or how I'm going to use that, but just take this off. And this one is a little tight, huh? Okay. Slide that off and take that off so I have all my things off. So first thing I do, I'm not going to put this on first because I really wanted to put some wire cutters. I can't, I mean that wire cutter is the floor wire in there and tie it around, but I can't find it right now. So I don't know if I'm going to glue it, but I'm going to see. But I'm going to cut these, and I'm going to cut all of them, and then I'll be right back. So this is my $5 Dollar Tree DIY. I hope you like it. Please leave me a comment below. If you do, I would love to hear from you. Blue and yellow. I want to thank Mrs. B and Bomb B from DIYs for hosting this collaboration. Thank you ever so much, and I'm glad I was able to participate. So again, thanks for watching. Be blessed, everyone. To be a blessing. Bye-bye. I see you all on the next video. Bye-bye.